Welcome back to another video. We're going to check out some more construction updates on Universal's Horror Unleashed. So now we're going to put the drone up so we can get a nice overview look of the area. So just keep in mind, this area is also going to be used for other experiences as well. I think they said they're gonna have like an indoor skydiving area experience here too. This structure just went up over the last couple weeks. I'm not sure what that one is for. We want to pan, and over here to the left, they're building I believe a parking garage for more parking for Area 15, just for the anticipation of all the new attractions that will be coming sometime next year. Looks like they're doing a lot of like electrical work underneath, getting ready to make and build more buildings. Nothing too much crazy going on. I'm pretty sure most of the work they're doing is going to be inside because the outside is pretty much all finished, besides the extra facades they're going to put up later on, I guess. Looks like we're about done with the drone footage, so thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hopefully in the future there'll be more updates